Today we'll see how we can use the Pixlr photo editor online. So there is no need to download actually to edit a photo or to make changes in a photo. So we can directly do that in Pixlr online. So just in Google search as Pixlr editor online. So you'll get a link like pixlr.com/editor. Here this one I'll copy this. So what I'll do is I'll drop this link in the description. If you want, you can directly click on it. So this is the online link where we can use the Pixlr photo editor app directly. So I can click on create. I can name something. Example image. I can check the width and height of the image. Click on OK. I'll just make it to black. I'll take any pic from my computer. So all the tools and everything will be almost similar here. You can also download it if you want, but as I want to show you, we can directly use it. So I have taken a JPG image where I got white background. Just I'll use the hand tool here. I'll click on this and just I'll invert the selection and I'll cut the image. Okay, I'll go to edit and I'll just cut the image and again I'll paste. Again I'll paste so that I have removed some white background here. So I can click on Ctrl X and again I can click on Ctrl X. I'm just selecting the white background which is not needed for me, and once I click on that I'm just cutting it off. So I can save this to my computer. Means you can do many changes. You can change this image by moving whatever it may be. There is a layer system and everything will be similar. I'll save this to my computer. Save. Okay, I want in the PNG format. Sorry, PNG quality example to my computer. So example of that's it. I have used Pixlr photo editor app online. So this is how, this is a small example, you can use it anyway. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.